Introducing the 60% wireless mechanical keyboard, where compact design meets exceptional functionality. Featuring 68 keys with responsive red switches, enjoy a tactile typing experience that's perfect for both gaming and work. Switch seamlessly between wired and wireless modes with the dual-mode Hot-Swappable feature. Designed for efficiency, this keyboard's smart power-saving mode ensures long battery life, even without backlighting. Its ergonomic design and compact 60% layout provide a comfortable typing experience, reducing fatigue during long use. Customize your typing experience with hot-swappable switches, compatible with all 3-pin mechanical switches. Built to last, the double-shot injection molded keycaps are resistant to wear and provide a premium typing feel. Upgrade your setup with the 60% wireless mechanical keyboard now.